The steering wheel mounted controls let drivers interact with a variety of features without taking their hands from the wheel. On the left side of the steering wheel, press the Home button, and then roll the selector wheel up and down to find the content desired in the driver information interface, which is located in the instrument panel. Press the selector wheel in to engage that content. Use the Seek/Skip buttons on either side of the selector wheel to move among stations or tracks, and adjust the volume with the volume plus and volume minus buttons. LCD audio models feature a source button. Pressing it repeatedly allows you to scroll through and choose the audio source you want. On display audio models, this is the back button for returning to a previous screen on the driver information interface. Below is the phone pickup button. Press it to go to the phone menu or answer an incoming call. Next to it is the phone hang-up button to end a call. On LCD audio models, the talk button lets you call numbers with stored voice tags in the Bluetooth hands-free link system. On display audio models, it opens the voice portal and enables voice control of phone, audio, and if equipped, the navigation system functions. If Android users have the Android Auto app downloaded and the phone connected to the USB smartphone audio interface, you can activate the Google Assistant with a long press on the talk button. And you can activate Siri with a long press on the talk button when a compatible iPhone is connected via the USB smartphone audio interface or Bluetooth hands-free link system. On the right side of the wheel, the main button is the on-off switch for the adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist system. The Res Plus and Set Minus buttons are used to set, adjust, and resume speeds with cruise control. The Cancel button cancels the set speed. The Interval button down below changes the following interval behind a detected vehicle. To its right is the Lane Keeping Assist System button. After Main has been pressed, give this button a press to engage the system.